Today we're demonstrating the H3000 second generation, also known as the H5000, demonstrating the vacuum function. So we've made a lovely celery juice and we've got the portable vacuum bottle. So we won't drink all this juice today, we'll save some. So if we put the lid on, this is normally curled up in here, so you just pull it out and you'll see that there's a little on-off button. So press it once, goes on, press it again, turns it off. So once you've tightened up the bottle, this opens and you attach this part and push down and it's created a seal. So if we press this button, it'll take 30 seconds to work. Sorry, 60 seconds to work. Once it's done, the vacuuming function will stop. Perfect, so that's done. You just remove that from the top, lower the lid, and that's perfectly vacuum sealed celery juice. So since it's vacuum sealed, all the nutrients will stay in there and won't start to die. And it'll keep that nice, gorgeous colour.